All right, we're at the Lake Bluff Public Library, and we've got a Dover Impulse. Lake Forest Bank and Trust Company. Maybe they're the ones who like funded the elevator? I'm not sure. It's your classic Dover DMC. Looks like an older DMC. I remember I was a kid, I used to come here and borrow Garfield books from right over there in the kids' library. Funny. All right, back up. I guess this is just like storage area. Phone, just a smartphone. Here's your panel. Just your basic Dover Impulse, good old Impulse. Library hours. Certificate. Anyway, there's also a dumbwaiter right in there. That will be it.